Hi, you're a Python coder and you would like to build your first large language model app. Then this is for you. I will show you how simply set it up in few minutes, and you can even build upon it. Then please follow me and let's dive in the code. The first good news, you don't need to start coding from scratch. I already put the code in GitHub, you have the repository, and you have all the instructions and the explanation here. You don't even need pen and paper to note down what I will write. It's enough to clone the repository. So let's copy this already. And later on, you will need API key from OpenAI because we would like to connect to ChatGPT. So you get it at this page, create new secret key, and there you will copy it. We will see this later. So let's get to the code. And here we are on Visual Studio Code, running on Linux Ubuntu. So we want to clone the repository. I created, by the way, a cloned environment. I suggest that you will do the same. And it runs Python 3.11.4. Let's clone. And it's cloned. Here are the files in the directory. We see that we have a requirements file, and if you look at it, here you have all the libraries that you need. So you don't need to manually install them by one. Let's install them with pip. Everything is installed. And now you will need to copy your key inside this file env, environment variables. Copy your key here. I copied it. And let's get to the demo. Simply demonstrate the code. Let's run this. And later on I will explain. This is the package that I created for you. Import the library. That's the instance that will predict what we'll give it. And let's make a simple prompt. Indeed, I recommend checking a reliable weather website. Good answer. So, apart from the weather in Brussels, let's try to understand what's going on under the hood. Here, I packaged the application. Here we have the init, simply declaring a package, and here the Python script, where I import all the necessary libraries. Here the key that you inserted it, so when you will want to modify, upload it to your GitHub, nobody can read your key. And here is the class. Simply, I import a chat model that you can change conveniently. If you prefer another instead of OpenAI, feel free. Also, if you look here at the Langchain documentation, you have a very good introduction and very thorough explanation. Then you can also use this code as a base to build your own code and import other LLM, train on your own data. You will see. So I hope you liked this basic introduction. Thanks for listening, and please give a like in case.